Hello everybody, it's Ben Lloyd here, Golf Whiskey 4, Bravo Mike Lima, also a board director of the RSGB, just on my way to Seaforth Island, which is in front of me there. I've got a kayak. Very big thanks to Kate from Wild Harris Camping, which is on the island of Lewis and Harris. Halfway across now, I'm hoping to get on top and be the first person to activate this island for Summits on the Air, SOTA, the SOTA scheme. Also, hopefully my first contact will be John McCullagh, the president of the RSGB. So I'm looking forward to that if it works out. So next time you'll hear me will be on the radio on top of Seaforth Island. Fingers crossed. Thanks all. GW4BML acting as GM4BML portable today. 7-3.